I'm pleased to show you how we make the safest helmets on the market, starting right here with the molding process. Welcome to our facility. Today, I'll show you the engineering and precision behind every safety helmet we produce, step by step.
Precision is vital. Every edge is smoothed to ensure a perfect fit for the internal components.
Before assembly, we push our materials to the limit to ensure they meet global safety standards.
Safety is our priority. Every single helmet is inspected by hand before it leaves our floor.
From raw resin to life-saving protection, that's how we built them. Stay safe out there.